They're part of the umbrella of the International Reunion. We'd like to call on them for the outing.
This is how to
Okay.
balot. Dedma ang arte-arte. Kainin na natin habang mainit pa.
Slide, please. Slide, please. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to call on the new members of this organization. We'll try to call on
And then you
them.
lick a lick.
Let's come up here.
And then you lick a lick.
Let's come up here. And then we'll have an opening people together at the same time. Okay?
Kainin na natin yung
New set of officers of the Sarana Implementar. President
Cheers to that.
R. Bayani. Vice President Julius Marvin Flores. Secretary Hannah Carissa Bayani.
walang arte-arte pag
Assistant Secretary
Ang
Micah Angelica Kumat.
Dedma.
Treasurer
Tayo.
John Anthony Flores. Assistant Treasurer Tristan Jerome Flores.
Kumain ka na.
PRO Kyle Labrador.
It's okay.
We have
Hindi tayo.
also the winter coordinators, Mr. Dinano Tayagan Jr.,
You want some?
Lead General
And then suck the balls out.
Vera Sudi. They are also as the Board of Advisors, Mrs. Lelaine Kulat, Mrs. Elsa Abayani, and Dr. Fidelis Labrador to join.
Next up, we have the new members of the Winter Indians of Alberta Association. I'm going to call on first and foremost the President, Mrs. Dinah Lianio. Vice President, Mrs.
Ang sarap.
Ida Akasio.
Cobra.
Executive Vice President, Mrs. Apollonia Viola. Assistant Executive Vice President, Errol Bilago.
Yes, girl. Mas interested ako dito.
Jamie Pineda.
Pahingi ah.
Ang laki ng sisyo.
Pahingi ah.
Secretary Sylvia Atay. Treasurer Rowena Alaba. Assistant Treasurer Evelyn Bilango. We have our auditor Ray Andrada.
May masara mo na? Ayan.